Talking, I spit up from the heart. I like to get this paper cause I still soft. And I ain't scared. I'm on welfare. Proud as I'm still there since 1987. And you ain't testing a player like me. And all these other rappers in Denver, they can't compete. Cause I'ma stay in the street. Never ever worried about the industry. And I can give you busters feeling me. In that correction facility, held back my ability. Cause all they do is play. Some of the flies at this paper, I had to wait. Back up in the game. Wrote off on that pen and chain. To the blessing maintain, can't change, do my thing, they're proving their thing. Up in the streets of the day, we sip in luxury, no love for police. Trying to arrest us fake fools, never they get less splitting up in the blood. Bring back to fly, I don't slang crack, but I make the tracks. They gonna hate on that. It's freestyle from the D-Town. What I be about for sure, they gon' clown. Going down in Villa Park, concealed in the claws on Federal Boulevard to the Sun Valley, all the way to Curtis Park. Ain't nothing but you selling, and I heard enough talking about you. My day for flu, all the way to the Westwood. I guess good, came a flying and sitting around and talking about. Even 7 know what's going flying. I heard you start, was young, man.